Hi, today I'm going to show how to check your PC can run Windows 10 or not with the simple software of Microsoft. So first, go to Google Chrome and type PC Health Check app. And I will recommend you to use FileHorse. It's safe and easy to download from. Now simply download it, and it's only 13.5 MB in size, and install it. I'm not going to show you the installation, okay? So when it's installed, simply open it and it's saying introducing Windows 11, as you can see. Click on check now. Oops, my PC cannot run Windows 11 and it's showing me the message. I'm really sad, and I just have to keep using Windows 10 in it with updates. But if my PC were able to run Windows 10, then it would show me like this, the picture that you can see on the screen. Okay, so if this message is shown to you, then your PC can run Windows 11 properly without any worries. And this is how you can check whether your PC can run Windows 11 or not with this simple and awesome application. I hope you liked it. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.